Are you looking for the best gaming PC under $800? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming PC under $800. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSI B450M PRO-VDH Max. The B450 motherboard range is a common staple in our builds due to affordability and compatibility. This build is no different with the MSI B450M Pro Max. This board, however, has slight improvements over the B450MS we have been previously using with Turbo M.2, running at PCIe Gen 3 x4, maximizing performance for NVMe-based SSDs. It also features the common MSI technology with Core Boost, DDR4 memory boost, and PCIe steel armor, improving and protecting your installed components. Supports 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen/Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics and 2nd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics/Athlon with Radeon Vega graphics desktop processors for socket AM4. Supports DDR4 memory, up to 3466 plus OC MHz. Turbo M.2, running at PCIe Gen 3 x4, maximizes performance for NVMe-based SSDs. Easy debug LED, easiest way to troubleshoot. Core Boost, with premium layout and fully digital power design to support more cores and provide better performance. Number 2. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16 GB 3600 MHz. The Corsair Vengeance 3600 MHz RAM is a perfect pairing with our Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, ensuring there will be no memory bottlenecking. You also know what you're getting with the Corsair brand, the reassurance you're getting top quality components and necessary reliability. We've gone for two 8GB sticks this time, as this should be enough memory to keep up with even the most intense tasks, and anything more would be a little overkill. Hand-sorted memory chips ensure high performance with generous overclocking headroom. SPD speed 2133 MHz. Vengeance LPX is optimized for wide compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. A low-profile height of just 34mm ensures that Vengeance LPX even fits in most small form factor builds. A high-performance PCB guarantees strong signal quality and stability for superior overclocking ability. A solid aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat from each module so that they consistently run at high clock speeds. Supports Intel XMP 2.0 for simple one-setting installation and setup. Available in multiple colors to match the style of your system. Package memory pin, 288. Number 3. Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 Super. A GPU that can give you all the graphical capacity to run the latest AAA titles is required to really make this build head and shoulders above the more budget builds. A GTX 1660 Super can do this and more, making it a future-proof GPU choice. This variation from Gigabyte features 6GB of ultra-fast GDDR6 memory, coupled with a 3 WindForce fan cooling system, ensuring no overheating. Powered by GeForce GTX 1660 Super integrated with 6GB GDDR6. WindForce 2X cooling system with alternate spinning fans. Intuitive controls with ARIS engine. 6GB 192-bit GDDR6. 1X HDMI, 3X DisplayPort. PCI Express 3.0x16. Number 4. Crucial MX 500 500GB SSD. Choosing an SSD over the more traditional hard drive is almost a given due to the dramatic speed increase and small form factor. This Crucial MX 500 we've chosen has a decent amount of storage, coming in at 500GB and read/write speeds of up to 560/510 MB/s. With it being made by Crucial, you also know you're getting a quality product. Finally, this one comes with a 5-year limited warranty, so if it does fail at some point, you're covered. Sequential reads/writes up to 560/510 MB/s and random reads/writes up to 95K/90K on all file types. Accelerated by Micron 3D NAND technology. Integrated power loss immunity preserves all your saved work if the power unexpectedly gets cut. AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption keeps data safe and secure from hackers and thieves. Crucial 5-year limited warranty. Number 5. Thermaltake V200 Tempered Glass RGB Edition. The Thermaltake V200 is the PC case gamers dream about. It comes with 3 full RGB fans that are fully customizable for your specific taste, alongside a 4mm tempered glass side panel for showcasing your components. The sleek black look of the rest of the case makes for aesthetically pleasing viewing. Additionally, Thermaltake has included an internal PSU cover, hiding all those wires and for easy cable management. Light up the system. 3 pre-installed 120mm 12V motherboard sync RGB fans, sync with Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, ASRock, and BioStar 12V header motherboards, plus 1 black fan at back. Built-in dual-mode 12V sync controller, control light via I/O port, RGB light button, 16 LED mode/7 color, or via 12V header RGB sync motherboard, sync with Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, ASRock, and BioStar 12V header motherboards. 16 LED modes through I/O port RGB light button, RGB mode, single color mode, 7 colors, breath mode, 7 colors, light off 7 colors, red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, white, purple. Clear view of PC gaming, 4mm thick tempered glass side panel with standard mounting. Built-in PSU cover, cover all your cables for a professional look combined with a window to show off your colorful power.